Everyone, thank you for coming. It's so good to see so many familiar faces. At yun, basta be kind lang be kind No, no, no. But I'm sure you will have a laugh, after the movie, and just enjoy. So, of course, this project we started conceptualizing this. Well, the script was there matagal na because originally Direk Joey Reyes wanted to do this movie kaya lang because of his work right now he couldn't do it, so I asked him if he has a script, and then he gave me the script. So dun nag-umpisa talaga itong project na ito. So and of course I'm so happy that Rosel, because Rosel and I we go a long way ever since I became a Regal baby. Naging barkada ko na si Rosel. So when Rosel was asking me, kailan ka gagawa? Kailan ka gagawa sa Regal? So from a Regal baby na artista, so now naman I'm directing for them. So parang I've gone two circles. So it's not just a full circle, but two circles. So that's why we came up with this project. And I'm so happy that nakabuo kami ng isang napakaganda at napakagaling na cast. Of course, Sue and Vico leading the movie. So and it's a surprise because I've directed Sue, dramatic actress kasi to. Pero hindi pala. Kenkoy pala to. Kenkoy. And then of course si Rico, pag nakikita ko siya mag-perform, iba di ba? Pero iba siya din sa movie na to. So, there'll be a lot of surprises along the way, and so sana mag-enjoy kayo.
Again, thanks everyone for coming. This means so much to us and to me, especially. It's my first premiere where I'm starring. That's why my mom is here and my titas. So I think it's the first time they've come to they've attended the premiere. And hopefully, pag nag-enjoy kayo, hindi ito yung magiging last. And thanks everyone. Enjoy.
Hello, good evening. Thank you so much everyone for being here tonight. Alam namin mahal ang gas, pero nandito tayo lahat sa Eastwood at nagsama-sama tayo para manood ng Project Baby. So maraming salamat po. Yun, sana enjoyin po natin ang pelikula, spread the good word about it. And let's just sit back and relax katulad nga ng sabi ni Direk. Thank you to all our friends who came here tonight. Maraming salamat. The best thing you can give someone is your time. So I'm very grateful for that. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy!
There you have it, the cast of Project Baby. Just a few photos for everybody. Congrats.